What would you do if the ground started rising right beneath your feet at Yellowstone? Sounds like something straight out of a disaster movie, but it's a real phenomenon, and knowing what to look for could keep you safe. Yellowstone National Park isn't just about stunning geysers, beautiful hot springs, and wildlife. Underneath it all, there's a massive supervolcano. This volcano has shaped the park's landscape, and its underground activity never really stops. Those famous geysers and bubbling pools, they're powered by heat and pressure from deep below the surface. Now here's where things get interesting. Scientists constantly monitor the ground at Yellowstone using GPS and satellites. Since late 2023, they've noticed something unusual in some areas, especially around the Norris Geyser Basin. The ground has been rising, sometimes up to an inch a year. That might not sound like much, but for a place as geologically active as Yellowstone, that's a sign that things are moving beneath our feet. So, what causes the ground to rise like this? Most of the time, it's magma or hot water collecting in underground pockets. Usually, this is part of Yellowstone's natural cycle. But here's the catch: if the ground suddenly starts rising faster, or if you see new cracks, bulges, or steam vents, that could mean the system is becoming unstable. And that's when things can get dangerous. What should you actually look for while you're visiting? Watch out for sudden cracks in the earth, hot steam venting from places it usually doesn't, changes in geyser behavior, or dead plants in new areas. You might even notice a strong sulfur smell or water that's changed color. In rare cases, you could see the ground itself swelling or bulging. If you spot any of these warning signs, don't stick around to investigate. Move away from the area immediately and alert park rangers or nearby visitors. Never walk off marked trails, and never try to get closer for a better look. The ground in Yellowstone can be thin and fragile. You could fall through or get seriously burned. The good news? Yellowstone is visited safely by millions of people every year, and there are teams of experts watching the park's every move. Park rangers have emergency plans in place and will issue clear warnings if there's any real danger. But it's always smart to stay aware of your surroundings and check the official Yellowstone or USGS websites for updates before you visit. Remember, nature is powerful and unpredictable. Respect the signs, follow the guidelines, and you'll have an unforgettable, safe experience in one of the world's most amazing places. Stay safe, stay curious, and subscribe for more fascinating nature facts.